People say that arrogance is the sin that brings the fastest disaster. Dharmi is a beautiful girl who grew up with a pride deeply rooted within her, a pride that doesn't match her family's condition. And this is the story about a beautiful girl who turned into stone because she was full of arrogance.
Demi, please help me clean the house, dear. I'm so tired from sharing all day.
I don't want to, Mom. My beautiful hands will get dirty and I will smell bad. You clean it yourself.
Dharmi was always lazy at home. All she did was playing with her phone, put on makeup, and date boys. She never wanted to help her mother to do the household chores. And she even always wastes her mother's money for buying unimportant things.
Mom, give me some money. I want to hang out.
I don't have any money right now, dear.
Ah, you're lying.
No!
See? There's money here. Okay, I'm leaving now.
Dharmi always treated her mother very badly. But what can we do? A mother's instinct always wanted the best for their child. Dharmi's mother always wanted to make her daughters happy. That's why she always worked hard to fulfill Dharmi's desire. But if I were her mother, I would have cursed that child since birth.
Fried snacks! Fried snacks, miss. It's still fresh from the oven. Fried snacks, miss. Fried snacks. It's still fresh from the oven. Thank you.
Thank you.
Fried snacks. Fried snacks, miss. Do you know that old woman?
No, I don't know her.
Oh, I thought you know her because I saw her smile at you earlier.
I don't know. There are many weird people nowadays.
Crazy! How ungrateful is Dharmi? Her mother struggles and work her bonds off for her, but she is ashamed and doesn't even acknowledge her own mother? What an ungrateful child! I know you guys must be annoyed seeing Dharmi's behavior right now, but there's something even worse coming. Let's continue watching.
Mom, why were you selling there today? You know, I often go there with my friends, and you're smiling too? I was so embarrassed.
I'm so sorry, dear.
I told you that child is become more and more ungrateful. Poor Darmi's mother. The pain she felt from her daughter's harsh words must be even worse than a knife cut. But I also didn't understand why she still remains patient with her.
I'm going out, bye.
Okay, be careful, dear.
Now, this is that makes me more and more furious. While her mother is tired from selling all day, Darmi is having a romantic date with her boyfriends at an expensive cafe with all the lovey-dovey things. But wait, I think fate is preparing something for Darmis tonight. Because karma never forget an address. And tonight, this is the time.
I'm so happy to spend time with you today, honey.
Me too, babe. I love you.
I love it too.
Let's go home before it's too late.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, my daughter, Dami. You just came out from here? Who is he? Is he your boyfriend?
What are you moments your mother, babe?
Oh, she's not my mother. She's my maid. Wow, Dami dear. Of course you call me your maid. I'm your mother.
Don't touch me. You're not my mother. My mother's beautiful. She has a fair skin as me, and she's rich. Go away.
How dare you, Dami? I'm your mother. All this time, I've been patient with your arrogant and ungrateful behavior because I love you. But this is already too much. From now on, you are no longer my daughter, and I curse you to become a stone.
Oh, mother. Mother, forgive me, mother. Mother, forgive me, mother. Mother.
Finally, that child turned into a stone. So that's the story of Darmi, the arrogant, beautiful girls that curves into a stone. People say that the crying sounds can often be heard in front of the cafe, and people believe that is the sound from the cursed stone Darmi. Scary. So, the moral of the story from this movie for you guys that watching this is be good to your mother, guys. Don't be an ungrateful child, or you'll end up like Darmi, cursed into a stone. And so, that's the story from me. Bye bye.